boys and girls. Okay, welcome to Thursday's math lesson for Thursday, December the 10th. Go ahead and grab your math book, turn to page 311. That looks like a 311. Should look like this when you open it up. Today's lesson is all about making equations true. Now, yesterday we learned about if something is true, that means it's right, it's correct. We say, yes, thumbs up, true. Okay, so let's look at our I can statement. Ready? Mirrors on. I can. Fill in the missing number in equations to make them true. Mirrors off. Good job. So let's look at what I have up here, okay? Now it says make it true. Something plus 3 equals 6 plus 1. Now this is the part I don't know that I need to make it true. I need to put a number here. But I can't just guess. I can't just write any number because I have to make it true. I have to make it correct. So I'm going to look at the part that I could figure out, okay? I'm going to look at this side of the equal sign. 6 plus 1. What does 6 plus 1 equal? Well, if I have 6 fingers and I add one more, I have 7 fingers. Or if I drew a quick picture of 6 little circles and I drew one more, I would have 7 little circles. So since I know that this is 7, I'm going to write my 7 right here. Pull that equal sign down. Now I need to think, well, what plus 3 would equal 7? What plus 3 would equal 7? Now this is where if you want to use your number line, you can start at 3 and you can say, well, 3 all the way up to 7 would be how many jumps, how many hops forward? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now let's try it this way. Let's say, well, I've got 3 circles here, but I need 7. Let's see if we get the same answer. It's always a good idea to double check our work. So I've got 3. I'm going to use a different color so I don't lose track. I need to get to 7. So this would make 4, 5, 6, 7. How many new circles did I just draw in my purple marker? Good, 4. And that was how many hops it took, right? So I'm going to say 4. I know that 4 plus 3 is 7. And I could even put the 4 up there and I could say, well, 4 plus 3 is the same as 6 plus 1. See how that works out? You just have to kind of be that little detective and make it true. Figure out what that missing number is to make it true. Now on page 311, it's going to ask you to do the same thing. They have 2 plus 5 equals something plus 6. So first, I want you to think, well, what's 2 plus 5? 5 got 2, 1, 2, and 5 more. That's 7. So I need to make this side also equal to 7. What can I add to 6 to get to 7? Good, a 1. 2 plus 5 is the same as 1 plus 6. Now this might take your brain a little bit of practice to get used to figuring it out this way. But I know that after you do pages 312 and 313 and 314, you will be pretty good at this. So make sure your grown-up takes a picture of your math work today, sends it to me on Dojo, and also don't forget to take a picture of your journal entry too. You guys are doing awesome at those. 3 sentences, at least 3 sentences in your best handwriting. Okay, I will see you tomorrow.